Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the Amana range outer door glass. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get a piece of aluminum tape and the new outer door glass. The outer door glass is a decorative piece of glass that covers the door. The main reason to be changing it out is if it's damaged. In order to get to the part, we have to take off the oven door. First thing we're going to do is open it up. Once you have it open, you can use a flathead screwdriver to lock the hinges. If you look right here in the oven cavity, there's a little tab right here. We're going to pull this forward with a flathead screwdriver and lock it in place. This will allow us to take the door off without the hinge closing. Once you have this one done, we can go do the one on the other side. With the hinges locked, we can lift up on the door. It's only going to close about halfway. And then we can carefully lift it off the hinges on each side. Once you have the door off the range, you can set it aside. In order to take the door apart, we're going to lay it down on a table. So you want to make sure you put a towel down so you don't scratch anything. We're just going to set the door down, and then we can use our Phillips screwdriver to take out the screws. There's 5 screws across the bottom. We're not going to remove the 2 that are in these cutouts. We're just going to take out the other 3. Now that we have the screws out, we're going to take this trim piece off. You just have to pull it off the glass, and we can set it aside. Once you have it off, you can lift the glass up and pull it out of the handle end cap up here at the top. Once you have it free, you can lift it off the door. Here's the old outer door glass next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. Before we put the new one on, we have to put the tape on there. It goes on the top, and then we're going to put some foam tape on the top and along the edges so the glass doesn't vibrate. So we're going to turn the glass over. Now that we have the glass turned over, we can put on the aluminum heat shield that came in the package. We're just going to cut it to the same length as the old one, which is about 28 inches. Once you have it cut to length, we're just going to stick it right across the top like this. You just want to look at the old one and put the placement about the same. Once you have the aluminum tape stuck on, we're going to stick the new foam pieces on. We're just going to put them in the same place as the old one, 2 on the top and 3 along each side. Now that we have the new outer door glass set up, we can put it onto the door. In order to put the glass on, we're just going to carefully set it down on the door, and then we can put the lower bracket back on. We're just going to push it onto the glass. And then you need to center it. You might have to move it a little bit either way once we put it on to make sure the screw holes line up. Once you have it on there, we're just going to lift up on the glass and push the top up into the handle end cap. We can set it down. We can use a Phillips screwdriver to put the 3 screws back in. Now that we have the door put back together, we can put it back on the range. In order to put the door back on the range, all you have to do is hook the hinges into the receivers. Once you have it in, we can open the door up all the way. Once you have the door all the way open, we can use our flathead screwdriver to release the locks. All you have to do is push them up into the oven body. Once you have this side done, we can do the one on the other side. Once you have both locks released, we can close the oven door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.